So I'll ask someone. Excuse me, sir.
Hi.
Do you know where's the Times Square?
Yeah, Times Square. If you just stay on 46th, and
Okay.
you just go straight.
Okay.
You'll have to go down to around 7th Avenue, and Times Square will be that whole
So
area.
if I go walking, how much time it will take?
Just 20 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I can take that. 15-20 minutes is not much, and I have to go straight from here. So guys, you know, I was talking about the e-bike. Nowadays I've seen everyone having an e-bike. You can see e-bike here, you can see e-bike here. Now this is the new, I mean, everyone is using e-bike, and very soon the e-bike will be very famous in India also. And it is sponsored by banks and all, because on that e-bike it was written Citibank. Metropolitan West. So this is the summertime, so there will be a lot of people coming to New York to see the places. You can see some ice. I've taken one ice, and it is getting hotter now. I can feel like I'm sweating. More students, see. Now this time they are wearing a pink color t-shirt. This is a very hard walk, I guess. 15-20 minutes is not less. So I'll see if I get an Indian restaurant. I have some money. Actually, I borrowed it from my friend. Hand car wash. Oh wow. So they have written that this is a hand car wash. Now this is more like a commercial area, I can say. I can see shops, bars. Okay. I can see a taxi, I mean not a taxi, I mean jeep. Skyline of Manhattan. Skyline of New York. Okay guys, I was talking about e-bikes. See, it is sponsored by City Bikes. I mean banks, City Bank or bike. There are so many. It's good, you know. Actually you can rent this, but I don't want to rent anything because I want to make video and show it to you. Bus. Wait, bus. Oh, that was closed. It was 2 seconds. I still need to ask where's the Times Square. Where's the Times Square?
Times Square, 42nd Street, over there and then up. 42nd, 42.
Thank you.
You're a man.
So there was an old person. I asked him where's the Times Square. So he said like somewhere like 42nd Street. I think this is a garbage or something like that. Yeah, this is for mattresses and other stuff. I don't know what exactly is that. So well guys, I just stopped this video because I just need to find a way for Times Square and then I'll switch it on. Well guys, this is a shop of washing machine. No, this is not a shop where you buy the washing machine. This is the shop where you come and do your laundry. You have seen this on TV so many times, but I'll show it on my video first time. Okay, this is the shop where you see a lot of laundry, washing machine, and you come here one by one. You need to bring with the change, and you can see all washers and dryers now accepted $1 coin. Okay, so you need to wash it over here, everything. So guys, I'll go out. This is just a washing machine shop where you do your laundry. So I'm going out. I just need to know where's Manhattan, Times Square. I'll just check. Excuse me. Where's Times Square?
Hold on.
Sorry.
What happened?
Times Square.
Times Square this way.
This way.
Just walk straight down and then on 42nd make a left.
So I will. 46. Okay. So it's not like Mumbai. You have city names. They have numbers. You can see this. 46. Again. So what he told? Take a left or right? I didn't care. Guys, I'm little afraid to walk because people told me like it is not very safe to walk on New York street alone, especially in night. Daytime it's fine because there are so many robbers who will take your mobile, your purses and everything. So it's better, you avoid walking alone and going to the lonely streets of New York. So well guys, I am going to Times Square. So this is the street to go to Times Square. You can see a lot of posters, lot of banners, lot of advertisement. Whenever you go to Times Square, I was talking to some person, he says like it is crazy over here. And one more thing guys, see, I was talking about the traffic earlier. You can see this. Traffic. Okay, now you see this big bus. I spoke to that person and he told me that you need to pay $59 to tour the city, which is not very expensive. In fact, he said like I'll give you a discount because you are working on cruise, so you just need to pay 49 or something odd for tour the city. The bus will take you there, the bus will bring you back and all that. See, this is the person. But guys, seriously, I hate myself because my car is blocked. Not blocked, not yet activated. So I don't have a cash with me. Let's see. Times Square. Oh, look at that. The skyline of Manhattan. Hotel. I love my master. want to have. You know, when I was coming out, one of my friends told me in Times Square there is a place where you get very nice biryani. So I'm a bit like I don't know where exactly is in Times Square because Times Square is very, I mean, huge. You can see Amazon, so you can see all that Mickey and huge TVs, LCDs. This I have only seen on TV all my life.